Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm sitting in my studio and I am opening up my CODA inspection system. So I'm gonna turn you around and show you what I got. So upon first glance, it came really well packaged. It's really secure. The instructions were right on top. I opted for the I believe I got the 34-inch arm and the 16mm lens. You can buy the other lenses, but I thought this would be the best range so y'all could see my hands sometimes, and then up close stuff as well. This is what it looks like. And here are the installation instructions. It looks really well put out. So yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing, but this should help. Oh. So I think this is where the camera is held. A wireless mouse. It came with a mouse. Plug and play wireless. So I think you plug the USB into something on the system. So we've got that. Let's see, what is this? A box. Oh, cords. Alright, so this must plug into the system. Lens and camera caps. I don't know if the lens is in here. I think it's just a container. This looks like, oh, a thumb drive maybe with, oh, and you can put an SD card in there. Very cool. By the way, this cost about $1,300. Of course, it was paid for by the Iowa Arts Council. I just want y'all to know what it cost. So it better have cool stuff in it, right? This thing is hardcore. I don't know. Alright, so we've got that box. Hardware enclosed. Damn. Oops. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that. This is the mount. So I think there's a clamp and maybe one that's more stationary. I'll have to look into it. Once I'm done opening this up for everyone, I'll kind of go through it and go piece by piece more. Yeah, that kind of looks like them out. And there are instructions in here as well. I was hoping I could see through there. Alright. So now we've come to the fun part. Let me get some scissors. Cool part about being a jeweler is you've got like 80 pairs of scissors around. And if you sew or do any kind of crafting, you know all about that. Alright. Oh, whoa! Very cool. So there is the arm. Here are the plugs. This, I believe, goes into your computer monitor, which is how you see through this guy. I got this capture card here, so I might feed this HDMI through this guy into my computer. I'm not really sure. I'll have to do some experimentation. This is not like new. A lot of video game streamers use these. They're compatible with like, oh, hi buddy. This is Maxwell, my first love. Anyway, this is not new. A lot of video game streamers use the Elgato. This is a popular brand capture card, and they know a lot more about this than I do, but it's compatible with a lot of gaming systems. Maybe online gameplay as well. I'm not really sure. It's something I'm gonna have a big learning curve on. So here is the arm. And this must be the CODA inspection system. Fancy digital microscope. Oh, wow. It's beautiful. Oh. Oh, wow. This is all metal. And here's how you control your zoom, I guess. Oh, uh-oh. I shouldn't do things until I know what I'm doing, probably. But hello, sweet friend. So this is how you're going to see everything I'm doing, for better or for worse. Very exciting. So yeah. Once I play with this, we can totally get started doing some cool stuff. I've got a couple coworkers who are excited to see it. One of the public relations gals, I suppose her job would be considered. She manages a lot of the social media for the place that I work. For my big kid job, she's really excited about it. She wants to take some close-up photos of what the jewelers are doing too. So I will totally have some help figuring out how to work this guy. But I've been waiting for like 3 months to get this, so I'm really excited to start playing with it and show you what we come up with. So yeah, sorry for this casual video, I just wanted to rip into this box. So yeah, see you later.